Alright, so rolling. Yes, yes. What's up, YouTube? It's me, Gun14 Slinger. I'm here with my brother today.
How you guys doing today?
Hey, we're going to be doing an unboxing video of a PS4 my uncle got me and my brother for Christmas. Thank you, Uncle. Alright, so I'll be doing the unboxing. Here you go, Ethan. Just hold the camera, please. Can you come over here?
Look at this pristine, uncharted, a Thief's End box.
Thank you. Alright, so this is here is a PS4, obviously. And it comes with one game, Uncharted 4. It comes with, I think it comes with PlayStation VR, that new fancy thing. It comes with the system, the controller, Uncharted 4 game. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, the HDMI cable, the AC power cord, the Mono headset. I believe that's for chatting online. A USB cable and printed materials. But it says not shown. So let's open this baby up. Got my knife ready.
My knife.
Well, he asked me to use a knife, so here we are.
Ew, get that out of your mouth. It's gross.
Come on, that's how soldiers do it.
You're not a soldier.
I mean, I could dream.
Alright,
Okay,
let's
what is this?
Let's admire the box.
It's a box within a box.
I like it. Alrighty, let's do it.
Let's cut this baby open. Now, I'm going to carefully open this. We need to savor this moment. Please don't do that on my channel.
Get out of there.
It comes with a flippy thing on the box. Here we are. Here's what seems to be the system. Oh, and the Uncharted 4 game.
Well, let's check that out for a second.
We also got Call of Duty Infinite Warfare.
I believe that's the latest one that came out.
Yeah.
What else we got in the magical box?
We shall see, we shall see. Reading material, the quick starter guide, I believe the introduction book.
That's all garbage, we don't need that, we can do this ourselves.
I believe you have to open the other side. It could be sealed.
Uh-oh. What's
Here
that?
we have a nice looking controller. The HDMI. Power cord, USB.
Where's the headset? Let me see the headset real quick.
It's strange looking.
That's our headset.
Now is that everything, or does it come with the VR?
I believe that's everything.
That's everything. Now first, let's look at the system.
Oh, man, we got cheaped out of the thing.
Yeah, that's what they come with. Alright, it's a bit confusing to understand the shape, but it looks pretty good. Here we got the disc slot, the power button, the USB parts. Here we got the HDMI, it's an Ethernet cable. I believe right here is a hard drive. I'm not sure if that comes with a hard drive.
Let's get the hammer and find out.
No. Power button and eject button. Alright guys, me and my brother are going to hook this baby up and we'll show you how it looks later.
Alright. Sorry about
Alright guys, I see me and my brother set up. Thank you, Uncle. Yeah, me and my brother have a good time with this. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give this video a like, leave a comment, subscribe. See y'all next time. Later. Here we go, play Call of Duty sometime. Alright, see you guys.